Righto. So we're looking at finding percentages. Absolutely essential in so many different trades, so many different life situations. Calculating the percentage of an amount. So you might have something like, I don't know, 38% of $750. Whatever. Or you could have 2% of 8,000 litres. You've got to be able to deal with that. And you need a system that deals with that. This is something you've seen before, but many people find very confusing. So let's have a look at it. First of all, you need to have this concept of what a percentage actually is. So let's just start there for a second. So imagine I've got this shape here. I don't know, maybe it's a chocolate bar or a piece of cheese or whatever. I don't know, it doesn't matter what it is, but consider this kind of rectangle. And imagine if I then got a knife and sliced it up into 100 equal pieces. So I'm not going to draw all 100, but use your imagination. Okay, I'm slicing this thing and I get 100 pieces that are all the same. All right, so I keep going and I've got 100 slices. Okay. Now, in your imagination, imagine then if you could get one slice. What is one slice? Well, each and every slice is actually 1/100th of the whole thing. Okay? So that's the same as 1%. Per cent, don't know whether you've ever thought about that, cent as in 1/100th. Okay, there's 100 cents in a dollar. 1 cent is 1% of a dollar. Okay, so that means if I have 3 slices, that is 3%. If I have 90 of the slices, that's 90%. All right, now, just wanted to run through that because that is the basic concept behind it. All right, so let's go back to what we were talking about before. If I've got 38%, let's make it 38% of 800 litres, okay? Imagine that's what you've got to find. Now, there is at least 3 different ways you can mathematically approach this, and they're all right because they're all just taking it from different angles. I'm going to show you a method which works for most people, okay? If you don't like this method, that's cool. You find your own. But this is going to be one that will work no matter what, and it's bulletproof. Okay, so we want to know 38% of 800 litres. Well, first of all, let's find what 1% is. Let's not worry about 38%, let's worry about 1%. 1% is 1/100th of it. Okay, if you go back to the slices, okay, 1% is just one of those slices. Okay, so how do I get 1/100th of 800? Well, you divide it by 100. Now, you shouldn't need to do that on a calculator. You've just got to bounce the decimal point 2 places, okay? So 8 is 1%. Yeah? Okay. Well, I don't want to know about 1%. I want to know about 38%. So all I need is 38 of them. So 38% is just 8 times 38. Okay, which ends up being 304 litres. Done. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's say I want 2.5% of 95 metres. Okay, well, same procedure. Procedure beats everything. Don't memorise particular things. Don't get hung up on individual examples. Understand procedure. We're always going to go 1%. Okay, well 1%, I bounce a decimal place 2 over because I'm dividing by 100. So it's 0.95. Okay, 2.5% is just 2.5 of them. 0.95 times 2.5. I'll just get the magic buttons. Okay, so 0.95 times 2.5 is 2.375 metres. What if it's really weird numbers? And this is what some people, they absolutely freak out. As soon as the numbers are weird, they panic because it doesn't look the same. Well, what if I've got 0.13% of $50,700? Okay, that one number's way bigger than what we've used before. That number's way smaller than what we used before. Okay, don't freak out about different numbers. Go back to procedure. What is 1%? Well, I bounce a decimal place 2 over. So 1% is 507. Well, now I need 0.13 of that. So 0.13% is 507 times 0.13, which is $65.91. Okay, that is a absolutely bulletproof way to find percentages. Like I said, many people like it. If you don't like it, that's cool. There's other ways to do it. Okay, but this one works no matter what. So enjoy.